For this part, I will show you how to edit your video. This includes splitting and cutting videos. Additionally, you will learn how to separate the audio from its video and adding new audio for the video. Let's get to it. Click Import Media and choose the recording that you've done previously with Camtasia. As you can see, that recording will be put in your media bin. To begin, just drag and drop the video to the timeline below. Most of your editing process will be done here in the timeline. You can click play to preview the recorded video. Before we begin editing, I would suggest you magnify the track by adjusting the magnifying bar here. You can also adjust the track height if you want a bigger view of your track. Moving on, say for example you want to cut the first part of the video. To do so, you need to split your video. Simply drag the tracker to the part where you want to split it, then click the split option on top. As you can see, you just separated the first part of the video from the main video. To remove it, all you have to do is highlight on the split part and click Cut. There you have it. Now I'll show you how to separate the audio from its video while adding a new audio to your track. Right-click the video and choose Separate Audio and Video option. The newly appeared track you see here is actually the separated audio from your video. To remove it, just click on the track and cut it. With that, you've successfully removed the audio from its original video. Now it's time to add a new audio to your video. Click on this plus icon and choose Import Media. Then from the pop-up box, choose the audio you want to use. Drag and drop the audio into the timeline and you are done.